Have you ever thought about why investing is important? It's a question that sparks curiosity in many, yet remains a mystery to some. Today we're delving into the world of investing, a concept that, while familiar to a select few, remains elusive to others. Our goal: to illuminate the essential role investing plays in shaping our financial landscape. We'll explore the ins and outs of this crucial aspect of financial planning, its significance, and how it can alter the course of your financial destiny. Understanding the importance of investing can change your financial future. Imagine a life where you only rely on your income from your job. You're working tirelessly, day in and day out, only to find that your hard-earned money seems to disappear as quickly as it appeared. You're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly juggling between needs and wants, often having to forego the latter. This life is a stark reality for many who do not invest. Without investing, your financial growth is limited to the increases in your salary, which, let's be honest, can be minimal or even non-existent in some years. You're essentially running on a financial treadmill, working hard but not really moving forward. And then there's the question of financial security. Without investments, you are left exposed to any financial storms that may come your way. An unexpected expense or loss of employment can lead to financial stress or even disaster. Moreover, not investing means you are missing out on the opportunity to grow your wealth. The power of compound interest, the potential profits from stocks and real estate, the security of bonds, all these are opportunities lost. It's like refusing to plant a seed today and then wondering why there's no tree to provide shade tomorrow. In essence, not investing leaves you vulnerable and stagnant. It's like choosing to sail without a compass, leaving you adrift in the vast ocean of financial uncertainty. Without investing, financial growth and security can be a challenging goal to achieve. Now picture a different scenario where you put your money to work for you. Imagine that your hard-earned money isn't just sitting idle in your bank account, but it's out there, growing, multiplying, and building a solid financial foundation for you. That's the magic of investing. It's like planting a seed today and watching it grow into a fruitful tree over time. One of the most powerful tools in investing is compound interest. It's the snowball effect where your earnings generate even more earnings. You receive interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest you've accumulated. This can lead to exponential growth of your wealth over time. Investing also provides financial growth. By investing in assets that increase in value over time, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, you're building wealth. This growth can help you achieve your long-term financial goals, be it buying a house, funding your child's education, or planning a comfortable retirement. But it's not just about growth. Investing is also about financial security. It can act as a safety net during unexpected life events. Having a diversified investment portfolio can provide you with income even when other sources might be disrupted. It can give you peace of mind, knowing you have a backup. Investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about consistent growth, patience, and a long-term perspective. It's about making your money work for you instead of the other way around. Investing can turn your financial goals into reality. So why is investing important, you may ask? Well, let's think back to the key points we've discussed. Firstly, we talked about the outcomes of not investing. We learned that solely depending on a single income source, like your salary, can keep you in a constant cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. It can also leave you vulnerable to unforeseen financial shocks. Then, we explored the outcomes of investing. We saw how investing, even modest amounts, can lead to significant financial growth over time. It can provide a cushion for emergencies, create opportunities for passive income, and even help you achieve bigger life goals, like buying a house or funding your retirement. So the importance of investing really boils down to two main things: financial growth and security. By investing, you're not just stashing your money away, you're actively making it work for you. You're taking control of your financial future and making your money multiply. Now, you might think you need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not the case. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. So don't let the fear of starting small hold you back. Investing is not just about making money, it's about securing your financial future. Remember, every investment journey starts with a single step. Take that step today and set the stage for a financially secure tomorrow.